Gampal and Hayang villages in Kamjong district set ablaze by unidentified assailants. Authorities enforce immediate curfew amid rising tensions. Kongjom Day observed with solemn ceremonies honoring 1891 war heroes at Kongjom War Memorial Complex. And coordinated security operations across Manipur yield arms recovery and multiple arrests of insurgent cadres in key districts. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinao, giving you the news in detail. As many as 2 Kuki villages, namely Gampal and its hamlet Hayang under Sahampung subdivision in Kamjong district were reduced to ashes today morning after being allegedly set ablaze by unidentified assailants. The attack, which occurred around 9 a.m., has triggered widespread alarm and prompted the district administration to calm down with immediate curfew orders. Initial reports suggest the involvement of armed individuals suspected to be linked to the NSCN, although authorities have cautioned the public against drawing premature conclusions. Eyewitnesses account from nearby communities, including Hengyang and Kangpal, indicate that a group of unidentified persons stormed the area before the fires broke out. No casualties have been officially reported so far, but the destruction of homes and property has left dozens displaced and without shelter. District officials and law enforcement personnel rushed to the spot to assess the scale of destruction and provide emergency assistance. The atmosphere remains tense as residents attempt to come to terms with the attack and potential security risks in the region. In response to the volatile situation, Kamjong District Magistrate Rangnamai Rangpeter issued a prohibitory order restricting the movement of residents and prohibits gathering or activities that may disturb the prevailing law and order. The curfew effective from 2 p.m. today will remain in force until further notice. The situation poses a significant risk of escalating into a larger law and order issue, stated the official notification. Quote unquote, in the interest of public peace and safety, strict restrictions have been enforced. The full extent of the damage is yet to be ascertained, and investigations are ongoing and no arrests have been made as of the time of reporting. Today, Manipur observed Kongjom Day with solemn ceremonies and cultural tributes at the historic Kongjom War Memorial Complex. This day marks the valorous Battle of Kongjom in 1891, a pivotal moment in Manipur's history against British colonial forces. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala presided over the commemorative event, emphasizing the significance of honoring the bravery and sacrifice of Manipuri heroes like Pauna Brajabasi. The ceremony featured traditional Sankirtan performances, enriching the atmosphere with cultural heritage and historical remembrance. The Kongjom War Memorial Complex, a symbol of Manipur's resilience, echoed with the stirring narratives of bravery and patriotism. Attendees, including local dignitaries and citizens, paid homage to the fallen warriors who defended their land with unwavering courage. In a poignant tribute, Rup Mahal Theatre staged a dramatic rendition of the Kongjom Lal, depicting the battle's valor and sacrifice. The event highlighted the enduring spirit of Manipur's people in preserving their heritage amidst modern challenges.
historic site of Hometown War Memorial, I would like to extend my greetings to the honorable dignitaries, esteemed guests, and my dear people of Manipur. First of all, I strongly condemn the terror attack in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir.
In a major counter-insurgency operation aimed at restoring peace and ensuring public safety in Manipur, security forces have intensified search operations and area domination exercises in the fringe and vulnerable zones of the state's hill and valley districts. These operations, part of an ongoing effort to dismantle insurgent networks and prevent criminal activity, have led to the multiple recoveries of arms and ammunition, along with the arrest of several active insurgent cadres affiliated with proscribed underground outfits. During one such operation conducted in the foothill areas of Mongjam, which falls under the jurisdiction of Hengang Police Station in Imphal East District, security personnel recovered a cache of arms and ammunition and communication equipment believed to have been stashed by insurgent elements. The items recovered included one carbine, one SLR rifle, 7 magazines, 73 live rounds of ammunition, 37 empty cases, and one Baofeng wireless set along with its charger. In a parallel development, Manipur police have arrested several individuals identified as active cadres of different banned insurgent outfits operating in the state. Among those arrested is Tongbram Doli Devi, a 20-year-old woman from Kadangban Mayay Laikai under Lamsang Police Station in Imphal West District, currently residing at Uripok Rims Road near Sangay Hospital. She was apprehended from the Lumphil supermarket area near the traffic island in Imphal West. Tongbram Doli Devi is said to be an active member of the KCP Nongdran Khomba faction, and her arrest is expected to yield critical information regarding the group's operations in and around the capital. In another successful operation, the security forces arrested Wangkai Rakpam Nandi Singh, age 42, of Losang Khong, Makha Laikai, under Lamlai Police Station, Imphal East District. He was taken into custody from Napet Pali Tongkong, an area located adjacent to the DGR Velocity KSK oil pump. Singh is an active cadre of the Pripak, and his detention is believed to have disrupted planned activities of the outfit in the eastern districts. The crackdown continued with the arrest of Laishram Nongdamba Singh, also known by alias Lanlaiba, a 25-year-old resident of Yangthang Makha Laikai under Wangoi Police Station in Imphal West District. He was arrested from his locality and is associated with the KYKL Sorepa faction. A mobile phone was seized from his possession, which is being examined for intelligence outputs regarding the group's digital communication and network. In another major breakthrough, Sorokhaiba Malemngan Basing, alias Ori, was arrested from Wangu Sadankong area under the jurisdiction of Wangu Police Station in Kakching District. A native of Wangjing, Lamding, Cherapur, Thaunaujam Laikai in Thobal District, he is an active cadre of the KCP PWG. His arrest is viewed as a major achievement in efforts to neutralize underground influence in southern Manipur. The Manipur police further apprehended Longjam Tony Singh, a 37-year-old individual from Thangmaipan Polem Laikai in Imphal West District. He was arrested from Kekrupat near Mangal Hospital under Imphal Police Station. According to police sources, Tony Singh has been actively involved in extortion targeting the general public and issuing monetary demands and threats in and around the Imphal area. 2 mobile handsets were recovered from his possession which are currently under forensic scrutiny for leads on his extortion network. In another incident pointing to the presence of organized violence in border regions, the Manipur police arrested 2 individuals affiliated with the Arambai Tengol Unit 41, Jiribam. The 2 accused have been identified as RK Komdon Sana, age 32, from Butangkhal, Borobekra in Jiribam, presently residing in Bidyanagar, Jiribam, and Lorembam Thoiba, also known as Jackson, age 20, from Uchathol, Jiribam. They have been arrested in connection with the abduction and physical assault of one Azimul Hussain Laskar, a resident of Bakhal in Kasar district of neighboring Assam. Lalching Puya, one half of Mizoram's iconic Nona-Genarian twins and believed to be among the oldest living twins in India, passed away last night at the age of 91. Born in 1934 in Mission Vang Idol, Lalching Puya and his twin brother Firdaldova recently celebrated their 90th birthday on July 18, 2024, a milestone that resonated deeply across Mizoram and beyond. Fondly known as Lala, Lalching Puya concluded a distinguished career at All India Radio, while his twins, affectionately called Fira, dedicated his life to education. Yesterday, what began as a serene retreat to Kashmir's picturesque valleys turned into a devastating tragedy as terrorists unleashed gunfire on a group of tourists, resulting in the death of 26 individuals and leaving several others wounded. This incident marks one of the deadliest assaults on civilians in the region in recent memory. The attack targeted visitors enjoying the tranquil meadows of the Falgam, where vacationers from across India had gathered. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde confirmed that 5 victims hail from Maharashtra. Among the deceased was a 26-year-old lieutenant of the Indian Navy recently married just days before the attack, hailing from Haryana. The victims also included 2 individuals from Karnataka, 2 from Kolkata, and a local resident of Pahalgam. In response to the tragic event, Prime Minister Narendra Modi abruptly curtailed his visit to Saudi Arabia, returning to India early on Wednesday morning. Home Minister Amit Shah has since departed from Jammu and Kashmir to oversee the situation firsthand. The nation mourns the loss of these lives and stands united against such senseless acts of violence. Stay updated on developments regarding the Falgam terror attack for further details. The Kadajit Youth Welfare Associated Club KYWAC ground came alive with fervor as the KYWAC Trophy 5-man night football tournament progressed into its 17th day yesterday. The highlight of the day featured a thrilling match between Koidum FC and Kennedy FC Bishnupur, which ended in a gripping draw amidst intense competition. In another match, Langlan FC Lamjau clashed with Virat FC Kakching Kuno, resulting in a closely contested draw, leaving fans on the edge of their seats. Meanwhile, Tobul FC secured a hard-fought victory over 5-star Kairag with a scoreline of 2-1, showcasing their determination and skill on the field. Again. Gampal and Hayang villages in Kamjong district set ablaze by unidentified assailants. Authorities enforced immediate curfew amid rising tensions. Kongjom Day observed with solemn ceremonies honoring 1891 war heroes at Kongjom War Memorial Complex. And coordinated security operations across Manipur yield arms recovery and multiple arrests of insurgent cadres in key districts. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.